How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Of course, sir.
Shall we begin the interview?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, my name is Ashwini and I'll be taking your IELTS interview today. And we will begin with introductory part where I'll ask you some questions related to your life. So firstly, tell me your full name.
My full name is Anurag Saini.
And how may I call you?
You can call me with my short name Anurag.
Okay, Anurag, can I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Anurag, are you a student or you work?
Well, I'm a student. I have passed my 12th standard and now I'm pursuing IELTS from a local institute.
Okay. Now I'll ask you some questions about weekend.
Okay.
Do you eagerly wait for the weekend?
Yes, of course. I eagerly wait for weekends because it is the only time where at that time we can reveal our stress of all the week, and that's why I wait for the weekends.
So how do you usually spend your weekend?
Well, I usually spend my weekend with my friends and family members as well. In the morning, I go for a walk, morning walk, and in the evening, I go to the park with my friends, and at night, I go sip and enjoy with my family members.
How did you spend your last weekend?
At last weekend, it was my sister's birthday, and I enjoyed it very well with all of my family members were there, and we all enjoyed it a lot.
How is your weekend schedule different now from your childhood?
Well, in childhood, the weekend was scheduled as we will play outdoor games, but now as I grew up, it is an era, and the advancement in technology is also there. So I play games on my computer, and that's how it has changed.
Now I'll ask you some questions about handwriting. Do you have beautiful handwriting?
Well, I consider my handwriting as average because I do not have much worse handwriting and not as good as it should be.
Have you ever received any formal training for good handwriting?
No, I still not have received any special training for improving my handwriting, but in future I will absolutely grab some coaching for this.
Do you write less now compared to past or more?
Well, I write less nowadays because the technology has grew up, and now we have to work on our computers. We can make notes on Excel, and we just have to type our fingers, type on keyboard. So that's how nowadays we type. I type less, write less.
What do you use for writing? Ball pen, fountain pen, or a pencil?
Well, it depends on the scenario. Usually I use ball pens, but as I am taking IELTS coaching, there is mandatory to use a pencil. So nowadays I am using pencil.
Is there any person in your known who writes beautifully?
Yes, of course. I know one person. She's my sister. She has a better handwriting than me, and she always writes like pearls on the paper.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2. It's a cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. And the cue card is: describe an educational TV program that you ever saw, when you saw, what it was about, and how you found it. Your time starts now. Okay, Anurag, speak up.
Well, taking education timely is the most important thing for everyone, and education can help us in many ways. I also used to watch educational shows on TV, and One of them, there was an educational show named named history of ancestors on History TV 18, and on that show they show that how people lived in the past times, how they managed to the situation, and how they collected their food. And another thing was that we can also learn about the diversity in our past time, that how the scenario was there in the grasslands, and the people lived in the caves for protecting themselves from wild animals. And it was a reference from my friend that on one day I was sitting with my friend. He referred me to watch a TV show which was the same, and I started watching this, and I gained a lot of knowledge from this.
Let's move on to part 3, which is follow-up section. How do you find the idea of edutainment?
Well, edutainment is a good idea because it is a mixture of education plus entertainment. One can get relaxation while doing education, and can reveal his or her stress, and can sharpen his or her memory.
Do you think children will learn more if they watch more than read?
Yes, of course. As you know, our brain learns more pictorial information rather than learning theoretical information, because our mind is programmed to see pictures and to learn them easily. And so I think so that children can learn faster by seeing movies and TV shows rather than reading something.
How can parents encourage children to watch informative TV shows rather than other stuff?
Well, they can encourage them in many ways. They can say that it will enhance their education, and they can also tell them the benefits of watching educational TV shows, and can also tell them the benefits, that how it will help them in future.
What are some TV channels which showcase very good educational content?
TV channels like Discovery Channel provides the most valuable content to the children and to other people also, and because it shows the diversity and of the people in the world, and it also provides the information about the technology, that what is happening in the world.
Are children more curious now because of TV?
Yes, of course, children are more curious because TVs have come in the knowledge of the children. As the TV makes the children feel more calm while watching to it, as the brain goes to the calm mode. So that's how children are becoming curious.
Okay, Anurag, this is the end of your speaking test.